有啲人對先知都過分要求，就係話你係先知嘛，你咁做第一樣嘢啱噶啦。咁但係問題唔會嘅喎，有啲係美麗嘅誤會嚟嘅喎。嗰樣嘢唔係建基係啱定唔啱，嗰樣嘢係建基你喺嗰個時候有冇開始起步，有冇一日都冇偏差喺嗰日已經去做，你嘅嗰日已經作出預備。因為有好多嘢係冇可能第一日就可以研究成功噶嘛。
No map, just a maze, trapped in the haze, chasing shadows, stuck in endless days. Blindfold tied, truth out of sight. Every wrong turn's a lesson in the fight. Closed fists can't catch the rain or the light. Open palms hold wisdom loose but tight. Zion's life, vivid and rare, extraordinary life, no room for despair.
當年開始講呢啲信息嘅時候，其實我個思維、我組織能力同埋我講真理，同埋我對每一樣嘅真理邏輯嘅推理呢，係同你哋冇得比噶嘛。你嗰陣時連聽都未聽得明啊，但我已經係駕輕就熟，個禮拜去揾到呢啲出嚟啦。咁但係你哋唔知個分別啊嘛，呢個先驚啊嘛。咁我又唔能夠買花讚花香，我講得多你哋就反感噶咯喎。咁所以咪一定要教策略啦。
No shortcuts, just steps on the trail. Patience the wind, strategy the sail. Every crack in the walls a window wide. Through the rubble, see the other side. Strategy seeds, plant 'em in the mind. Patience blooms, let the roots unwind. Break free, see truth grows in time. An open mind's the ladder you climb.